This is MaoT again, people, and you're watching Kitchen Time. Kitchen Time. Say no more, people. Today we have the nice marinade chicken, and we be roast little bad boy. Say no more. Here we go, people. Nice, beautiful marinade chicken. Say no more. Coming at you. You know what I mean? Oh, we. And the grill smoking, waiting us. Here you go, people. Grill ready. Nice and the chicken. Nice marinade chicken, people. Set away on the grill. Hot, smoky one. Woo! Here you go, people. Say no more. Now here you go. Nice grill. Nice. Here you go, people. And later on, obviously, go oven about half hour. And they're ready to go. Say no more, bitches. Now here you go, people. Nice chicken. Obviously, first we grill this, and later we flash in the oven. Simply as that. Say no more. Nice, spicy. People, I cut one. Look at that, beautiful cook, still juicy. This is what you need. This is what you want. People, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Peace, everyone.